Reflecting and reflection and taking the time to share the learning process is such a powerful practice. And it's something that we see benefits or understand what the benefits could be, but we probably don't do enough. And sometimes I think we don't know how to go about it and how to just do it well. So I think something like Mirror has such potential to help bring that powerful practice into the learning environment. And we've seen that students are loving this. You know, we have students like reflect on learning in different ways. Maybe it's with like a journal, maybe it's with after a lesson, just typing some feedback to try to process it. And that's great. This is also an added layer that takes it to the next level. When we see our students using Mirror, they love going up to this device. They love speaking to it in the video format, helps them just share in a freer, more relaxed way than having to sit and type it into whatever format they usually do or write it. And they love that. They're excited to use it. They also love, and they feel free to speak to it, and they like and enjoy the feedback that they're getting from it, because no matter if they adore the teacher in the classroom that they're at, have a good relationship or no relationship, this removes that, and it gives them an unbiased set of feedback and insight into their goal setting or their processing or their learning. And I think they really love that part of it a lot. I think in time, prioritizing this reflection and using it throughout the learning environment can have great potential. And in this world of nonstop information and devices and AI and just any kind of innovation and technology that is in our realm, teaching students the power of reflection is just going to be such a valuable skill for them to have, for their present time and for their future. What I love about Mirror is that it helps the teacher and the student go through this whole process. It's not always easy to know where to start and what to ask and how to reflect, but Mirror takes that and helps break that all down, helps you think about what you want to ask and what kind of learning is happening and what you want to reflect on. And again, that's not always something that comes naturally and is innate for everyone. And Mirror just does a fantastic job helping do that. And along with the power of AI in coming up with the questions and the feedback, it's a next level tech and innovation that is just so beneficial, I think, in this ever changing and ever evolving world.